working well. I thought today that we'd make some rock buns. We're going to make 3 types, a basic recipe, one with mixed fruit, one with a jam and one with some lemon curd, mainly because some children don't like the mixed fruit or the currants. So what we'll do is start us off with some self-raising flour. So you're going to need 8 ounces of self-raising. I'm going to double my mixture because obviously I need enough for you to know that we've got the 3 types. So you need 8 ounces of self-raising flour, and a bit over there, straight into the bowl. 4 ounces of your baking butter, soft spread. 2 ounces of caster sugar, 1 egg, as I said, I'm doubling the amount of mixture, so I'll have enough for, well, it would help if I had the paddle. Sorry about that. Right, so as I said, I've started to mix the flour, the marge, the caster sugar, the eggs. You will need a dash of milk just for it all to bind together, but at the moment, because I want to do the 3 types, I need to mix all this together before I can add in the fruit. Once the eggs are gone, turn it on a bit harder to speed it up for it to all get together. Again, you can do this by hand, and as I said before, just make sure that your baking spread is a bit soft, then it'll just make it a bit easier for you to stir it in. Add in your milk. So this is what your texture will look like. It's quite doughy, but maybe a looser cookie mix to explain it anymore. Right, because I'm going to do the different flavours, I'm just going to split that in half. Pop it all back in. And then to that one we will add 3 ounces of your mixed fruit. You can add just sultanas, just raisins. I like a mixed fruit because then you've got all your peel, you've got your currants, you've got all your lemon bits, and then just add that on and give it a go. Doesn't take long, a couple of minutes for the currants to be mixed in. Just like that. Very quick and easy for the children to do. Right, so with the mixture, what you do is if you get a ball of it, doesn't matter if it's complete, circle, a rock bun is a messy cake as we call this. and then just divide it into, what have I got? I've got 5 out of that one. So they look like that. And then what I'm just going to do is make a dip in the middle. And then I'm going to add to them, some are going to be lemon curd. So I just get a spoonful of lemon curd, pop it in the middle. You don't want too much because obviously you don't want it when it's cooking away in the oven for it to splurt everywhere and burn. I'll do 2 lemon curd. Then I'll do the rest jam. So that's a rock bun mixture, and then in the middle we've just put a dollop of jam or a dollop of lemon curd. So that's them ones, and then obviously I'll show you the actual rock bun one now. So again, that's what your mixture looks like with all your currants evenly through it. And then you just rip off a chunk of it, place it onto your baking tray. How big or how small, up to you. And then what we just do is just get some caster sugar, just sprinkle over the top, very lightly, on all of your cake. And that's it. How quick and easy is that one? And there's your rock buns. So as you can see, they're on the tray, all ready to go. And what we do, we put them in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll have a look what they're turned out like. So we'll see you in a minute. Hello there, it's only Helen back. Right, my rock buns have been in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. And they're looking lovely. So here we go. So this is the rock buns with the jam and the lemon curd. So that's your lemon curd one. All rough, golden brown, all nice, soft underneath, but obviously not as soft that you can't pick it up, so you know it's not cooked. And then there's your jam bun. And there's your rock buns, all nice and crisp, all baked again. As I said about the jam one, soft to touch at the bottom, but not soft enough that you can't pick it up, so it's still doughy in the middle. And let's just break one in the middle, and there you go, you've got your fruit, your currants, all nice. They smell absolutely gorgeous. So as I said, what I'll do is I'll put the recipe up for you, and then you can hopefully give it a go. All stay safe, and we'll see you soon. Bye.